Rap your way out of a speeding ticket. All right, here we go. We're gonna try this. Rap your way out of a speeding ticket. Listen. I'm saying thank God that I'm sober, cause I just got pulled over. I was on the freeway driving, rear view, I was seeing mass sirens. Hey, so thank God I'm sober, cause I just got pulled over. I was on the freeway driving, rear view, I was seeing mass sirens. Yo, I be living out my purpose. Sirens in the rear view, now I'm feeling nervous. Yeah, and I can't tell easily, but in my head I'm like, nah, that can't be for me. Then I look down at my speed and see I'm way over. Holy shit, well thank God that I'm sober. 90 miles per hour, it's supposed to be 70. Yo, that don't even really sound like me. Alright, luckily there's a shoulder here, so I'ma pull over, I'ma get it to the clear. I can't deny, man, I'm starting to fill up with the fear. This has to be the most weird occurrence all year. So I pull over and I start to slow down. The cop is right behind me, how's it about to go down? I put on the brakes, then I throw the shit in park. Yeah, I'm glad that I no longer spark reefer up in the whip, cause if so, he could tell. He would walk up, window would go down, and he would catch the smell. No cloud and I'm sober, so I'm feeling fine, but I still don't understand what's gonna happen this time. I mean, I know I was speeding, not by a small margin, 20 miles over the limit, and now I'm starving for answers, and I don't know the way it's about to go. He's walking up slow when he's crushing my flow. It's like, hey, I'm saying thank God I'm sober, cause I just got pulled over. I was on the freeway driving, rear view mirror, I was seeing mass sirens. Hey, I'm saying thank God I'm sober, yeah, cause I just got pulled over. Hey, I was on the freeway driving, rear view mirror, I was seeing mass sirens. Okay, he's walking up and what's he about to do? Yeah, I'm kinda nervous, I be shaking, man, it's true. Yeah, he's getting close, I hope it's really simple. Hey yo, so I just start rolling down my window. He's looking stern, he's looking pissed. He grips the pen tight in his fist. He's like, sir, do you know why I stopped you? I say, not really, sir, but it's not true. I know the reason, yeah, I know the reason. I looked at the speedometer, I know that I was speeding. He doesn't seem amused, he ain't got the time. He's like, dog, you know, don't try to fool me, it's not cool, G. You was going fucking 90, and I had to wonder if you was escaping the crime spree. What's the reason you were going so high over the limit? Where you trying to go? You in the race, you wanna win it? I'm like, please, sir, just give me a chance. He stands firm, stands tall in that real strict stance. I'm like, look, give me a moment to blow your mind. He's like, what you talking about? Then I enter to the rhyme. I'm like, look, dog, I know why you made me stop. I know that I was speeding, tried to lie like I was not. But listen, I'm about to rap about the words you throw, so give me 3 words. He looked at me like, no. I was like, come on, man, get down with the get down. Even if you're gonna write a ticket, hear my sick sound at least. He says, alright, cops, speeding, pull over. I'm like, you gave me a reason to do it like this. Got the game on lock, I got the game handcuffed like if I was a cop. Yeah, y'all know that I'm about to come cold when I'm breezing. Yeah, over instrumentals I'm steady speeding. Yeah, and y'all know they be loving my vibe. When in my ride, everybody pull over to the side. Man, I got the strongest pole, so it's over for rappers. Yeah, and the way I drop the fact, dog, it smacks you across the face. He was having his jaw dropped to the floor right now. He said, whoa, okay, stop. Then he gave me props, then he gave me a pound. Got back in his car and drove back into the town. Yo, I said thank God I'm sober. Why? Cause I just got pulled over. Yeah, I was freeway driving, looking in the rear view, seeing mad sirens. Damn, I said thank God I'm sober. Hey, cause I just got pulled over. Yo, I was on the freeway driving, looking in the rear view, seeing mad sirens. Why?